increase 24 by 2/3. I'll start off with my bar. We're working in thirds this time. So I've got this whole bar represents 24. If I want to find out what goes into each box, what a third is, I need to divide by 3. So that's going to be 8. And I'm interested in 2/3, so I need to highlight that 2/3. 2/3 is here. That's 16. So there's two ways I can do this. I can literally just add 24 plus 16. It's going to end up being 40. Or a bit more visual, I'm increasing 24 by 2/3. So what I'm actually doing is I'm adding another 2 boxes onto the end. So if I do that in a different colour, I've got a box here and another box. I'm going to add those on. Each of those are worth 8. So altogether I've got 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. Decrease 36 by 3/4. So let's start off with my bar. We're working in quarters, so I need to split it into 4. So this whole bar represents 36. If I want to find out what 1/4 is, I need to divide by 4. 36 divided by 4 is 9. Now I'm interested in finding 3/4, so I need to use 3 of those boxes. So 1, 2, 3. So 3/4 is actually 9, 18, 27. And it says decrease 36 by 3/4. Now decrease means that you need to take it away. So actually I can just cross these off. I don't want these anymore. What have I got left? 9. So it's 36 take away 27, which is 9.